This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, I'm Suyash Deshmukh. Today I'm going to teach you about Process Builder and its basic fundamentals. First, start with a overview like what we will gonna study in this module. So let's begin. In this module, we will gonna study about Process Builder's component, and where it is used. At last, we will gonna differentiate between Process Builder and workflow. Okay, let's start. What is process builder? Process builder is a point and click tool that let you easily automate your business process. Okay, it also gives you a graphical representation of your process. Process builder consists of three components. One is trigger, one is criteria node, and one is action. There can be one trigger only, but there can be n number. We understand n number of criteria node and n number of action that can be created by you. Okay, it's all up to your business process. Okay, component. Let's jump to the component of process builder and illustrate them. Okay, what is trigger? Trigger identifies when the process should run. Okay, for record changes, whenever the record might be updated or it might be inserted. Now there is two conditions. When record is only created, right? Created, then the trigger will fire. And another action is for when the record is created or updated, then this trigger will fire. Okay, so it's next topic is a criteria node. Whenever we evaluate, let's suggest we we decided that uh, trigger only we decided trigger only fire when a record is created. Okay, when the record is created, then it goes to the criteria node. Okay, it goes to the criteria node, and in criteria node there are certain criteria which you want to evaluate. Okay, so let me tell you about criteria node. Criteria node basically evaluates the criteria which you give to the which you give to it. Okay, there can be n number of criteria you can add in the process builder. Okay, it basically adds a filter condition. It works on a boolean function like true or false. If the criteria node evaluates to true, then the action will perform. If it evaluates to false, then either it will jump on the next criteria node or the process will not update anything, right? Okay, let's jump to the action. Basically action are of two types: immediate action and scheduled action. Okay, whenever the criteria node evaluates to true, then action fires. Okay, the process executes associated action. Okay. Hmm. When immediate action is the action when the criteria node evaluates to true and it fire immediately. That action is called immediate action. And schedule action is used when you want to execute the action after some time. May say that after 10 days you want to execute the action after 10 days, then you can use schedule action. Okay, that is the example of process builder. As you see here, opportunity is the trigger. Whenever the new opportunity is created, if the opportunity is closed won and high value, then the particular action should be should be taken. Okay, so what's the action here? It is drafting a contract in the opportunity. Whenever the new opportunity is created, if the opportunity is closed won and it's of high value, then there will be automatically an action would be fired, and it created one draft contract in the opportunity field. Okay, understand? So let's jump to the next point. What is the use of process builder? We use process builder to create records, update records, submit records for approval, update one or more related records, send email, post to Chatterjee. Like, what else you want? What else you want? You can update record, you can send record for approval, you can send email through process builder, you can post on Chatterjee. That is the best part of the process builder. Okay, let's jump to the next point. Okay, process builder versus workflow. Workflow is basically a old form of process builder. Yeah, process builder, old form, and the new version is process builder. So basically, workflow is old school. Process builder is far better than workflow. Process builder are user friendly, they have good visualization, their action applied in a sequence. Yeah, this is the main point. Action in the process builder can be applied with the sequence. Like earlier I also said that when the criteria node evaluates to false, then it goes to the next criteria node. So we can do it by sequencing them according to our business processes. But in workflow, if you add a for workflow rule, then you have no guarantee which workflow rule will occur first or execute first or which will gonna next. Okay, so there's a basically two drawbacks for a process builder. Well, first one is it can't send it is not able to send outbound messages, but we don't need outbound messages. We can send email also through process builder, so that's no big deal. But whenever whenever you want to update uh, update something, okay, whenever you want to update something before the trigger fire, then we can't use process builder. Okay, for that we can use apex trigger, we, which might be learned in the next module. Okay, so this is for all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.